Question number 18 on the Unit 1 review is very similar to question number 17. I'm hoping that you've attempted these first, especially if you watched the video for 17. You can just see if you can figure out 18 on your own and then check the video or check the answer key. Here's our story. After blocking a shot on goal, a soccer goalie kicks the soccer ball back into play. The function f of x equals negative 16x squared plus 64x minus 1 models, we'll talk about that again. It models, that means it's predicting something. It models the height of the soccer ball in feet, there's our unit of measure, at any given time in seconds. So think about this. When it says models at any given time, think about this, class. You're plugging in time and you're getting out height in feet. So that means our x value is representing time. Now it's not as clear as this one because on this one we actually use the variable t, but we'll just say, let's put it right here. This is our x value. That's our input. Oops. Plugging in time. And the height of the soccer ball is going to be our evaluation of our expression once we plug in time. And then it says, okay, what is the value of f of 1? Well, hopefully you're already thinking about this. F of 1, well, 1 is our input value, x. And we just said our input value is time in seconds. That means f of 1 is trying to figure out how high is the ball after 1 second. So after being kicked, 1 second later after being kicked, how high is the ball off the ground? So we're already talking about meaning here. Let's do our math. So we've got h of 1, I'm sorry, not h of 1. We've got f of 1 equals, let's plug that 1 into our equation. We've got negative 16 times 1 squared plus 64 times 1 minus 1. Again, as we covered in question number 17, you can actually, since you put your variable in parentheses when you plugged it in, you can actually type this very same equation in your calculator. Remember the two key things. And I'll put a little mark right here. This minus sign right here is not subtraction. It is the key that looks like this on your calculator. Negative 16. And then remember how we do the exponent? I'll put that right here. In your calculator, remember the way we do that is, we're going to go ahead and say that one is put in your calculator like this. Parenthesis 1, close parenthesis, caret 2. And you can use your x squared key as well on this one, but you can also just get used to using the caret key or the exponent key every time you're going to type in an exponent. So there you go. We put it in our calculator, and if you successfully did that, you will actually get approximately, I believe this is approximate, maybe not, maybe it's exact. So it's going to be, let's put 4.6. Actually, that's wrong, class. I got the wrong answer on that one. It's actually 44 feet. For 44, let's just say, there's our answer, 44. So f of 1 equals 44. Now let's put it in context. We know the 1 is how many seconds after he or she kicked the ball. And the 44 is how many feet the ball is in the air. So in the context of this story, this f of 1 means at 1 second. You can also say something like after 1 second, the ball, and I won't write this part, the ball is 44 feet off the ground. Or you can say feet in the air or feet high. All of those work. There's not an exact sentence, class, but they want you to actually explain what does the 1 mean in the context of the story and what does the 44 mean. So there you go. There is your context for what the actual value of f of 1 means. Question number 18 is finished.